Breaking into the local music scene can be hard, so here are some tips that will help. Understanding the local scene. Go and support other local musicians in your area and network with them. See if they can give you any tips that relate specifically to your area. This is going to give you a massive head start because you'll understand where to go, where not to go. Hey, they might even ask you to come and play a warm-up for one of their sets. Building relationships with the bar staff as well and the landladies, landlords is a really good way to get your foot in the door. People like to help out people they know, so if no pub owners know who you are, they're not going to put you on. Simple as that. If you like that first tip, make sure to stick around to the end because the tips get more valuable throughout the video. Also leave a like while you're here, you might as well, and if you could share with another musician and help them out, I'm sure they'll appreciate it and maybe even help you get a gig. Create a strong local presence both online and offline. You can do this by making short videos and throwing them up. If you're playing a song in your bedroom, you might as well film it and stick it on Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, or TikTok, or all of them. Videos anywhere from 30 seconds to 60 seconds seem to do really well, so yeah, go for one of those. In terms of increasing your local presence, you can go to places like open mic nights where it's really good to socialise with other people and also shows that you're proactively going out into the world and trying to make things happen, and refining your craft in terms of putting together a set list, making sure songs are performance ready, and getting feedback from other musicians. Tip 3. Structure your social media so it's attractive to a bar or pub. This can be done by, on Instagram, just pinning 3 videos of you playing live somewhere at the top of your profile. These will be the first ones that they see. Another top tip here is to make sure you're consistently posting music-related content on your stories. There's a very high chance if the pub's checked out your 3 posts, they might check out your story as well. Make sure it's appropriate to you as a musician. We spoke a little bit earlier about networking with other musicians as well as pub owners, but going to networking events and meeting promoters themselves or people that sell tickets might also be a really good way to go. If you know the people who are selling out big theatres in your area, one day, once you've got through that first stage of like trying to get a local audience and getting people to know you, if you can sell 100 tickets, you might as well sell 100 tickets and cash in on making some money. It's worth knowing the ticket sellers because they'll potentially be able to give you a discount if they feel like they knew you as a friend first. And my final bonus tip is adapt your set list to add value to the location you're playing. By this I mean, if you're playing in a young person nightclub, don't play all like your slow older songs like Yesterday by the Beatles, or the really slow ones that like are really good songs, but it's just not the environment for it. Young people are more after like the type music. So if you can make anything similar to that, they'll love it and go for it. Similarly, if you're playing in an old country pub and there's a more elderly target audience there, they might not appreciate all of your really young, upbeat music, so you've then got to tailor your set list so it's playing more like the Yesterdays by the Beatles or Eleanor Rigby. Chuck Berry is a really good one as well if they want something a bit more upbeat. You could play Johnny Be Good. Tailoring your set list to the audience massively increases your value and likelihood of getting rebooked. If you found value in today's video, make sure to leave a like, subscribe because that helps me out a bunch as well, and you might as well follow me on Instagram at WillTaylor_UK. Goodbye!